Young Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing the Noble STI wing for my car, and then the Noble F1 light.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell man. What the man?
Here it is. It's nice and red. Alright, it's the next day, and it's on. Looks pretty badass actually. I still feel like so I couldn't really do much to help, but yeah. But today I'm going to be installing a light.
Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'll be installing the Noble Pro 2.0 JDM. Can you shut the fuck up? It's a fog light, okay? Damn. There it is.